celebrating that.
What?
I mean Valentine.
Valentine. I have removed Valentine from my dictionary. Exactly what I said.
I didn't get you.
For now, there is nothing like Valentine. As we speak, myself and my babe are not together again. Bros, I don't lock up the girl.
Why?
There is no money.
Let me tell you. I've got received a match. You know, they're in the middle of the month.
Yes.
And there's this guy in my office who promised to lend me cash. He just called this morning that he will get it again, bitch.
Save yourself the bread. Eh? The best thing for you to do is, for now, you and your girl, just go on holiday. Today is 13.
Yes.
On the 15th or 16th, even 17th, you can call her back. You know what I did? I just looked for one trap for my girl.
Trap?
She came to my house. My battery power was 5%.
Okay.
And she was telling me to give her charger when her own battery power was 80%.
Wait. You can give it to her now. She's your girl. Do that.
Shut up! For what? For love. If a woman can allow your phone to die, tell him. I just told her once. Go. You can do the same. Wait. I can tell you what to do. See, when she comes, she will call you up. You go break for her. Your man. If she don't call you, she will call you. You will be.
I know at my age.
Make she go. You understand? Make tomorrow just pass. And if she not call you down, buy 2 eggs. 2 eggs. You give her 1 to fry. 1 to. After doing everything, now call her. Ask her which one she did she cook, which one did she fry. After showing you, just tell her she has failed. That you mark the one for cooking and you mark the one for frying.
You know what? That's why I always love to be in your company. You're such an excellent company.
You say you don't get money for him?
No.
Okay. So I say you see. Now make get me. So I say you see.
I'm not fine. My family members are here. They want to take me to the village. Yes. Don't come. Yes. I think I'll be fine. Oh, network. Oh. Hello? This network. Oh, it is network. I can't hear you.
How about?
She's not coming again.
Better.
It's just orientation.
Yes. So like on the 17th like that, you will just call her. Say you are back.
Hey! Everybody's shaking. Everybody's very hot. Even cold water cannot cure this one. Even ice block. Who is this one now? Hello? Speaking. Oh! Good evening, ma. Yes, about the belts. How much did you call it again? Oh, 54,000. Hey, yeah. Just send me the details. I can't get the belt again because I wanted to get the belt for my baby. That's my fiance, and it's not feeling fine. So yes, he can't use it again. Oh, thank you, ma. That is very nice of you. Thank you. Who is this now? Eh? Baby, sorry, let me pick this call. Baby, I'm coming. Sorry. Hello? Who's this? Oh. Hey, the wristwatch. How much did you call it? 100,000? See, I can't get the wristwatch again. Something is happening to me right now. The person I wanted to get the wristwatch for is not feeling fine. Yes, he's on the sick bed. He can't use it. Ah. Oh, yeah, you've gotten it. Don't worry, I'll come and take it for another person. But he can't use it. Oh, you helped me return it. Ah, thank you. That's very nice of you. You're sweating now. Your body is hot. It's the malaria. Who is this one you keep? Stop calling me now. My baby is not feeling fine. You are calling. Baby. I have to receive it. No need. Sorry. It's not feeling fine. I'm not also feeling fine. Hello, who is this? Ah, guy, how far now? Oh, you've got the Phantom 6. Oh, I wanted to get it for my boyfriend. He's using one touchlight phone. Even the buttons are not good again. I wanted to get it for him, but he's not feeling fine now. He can't use it again. You can't expect someone that is sick to use Phantom 6. You know it's not right. I wanted to surprise him for this vow, and he's not feeling fine. He had malaria. Even his body. If you see me now, if you see him, you will pity him. You see my life like this, my brother. What will you help me do? Okay, you resell it for me. Oh, okay. Someone wants to get thank you. Thank you. Hey, thank you very much. Phantom 6.
Hey, Tonya.
What?
Call them back.
Call back.
Call them back. I'm fine.
You.
Can't you see?
Like this.
I'm fine.
Julius, you are sick.
I
In
said
fact,
I'm
you have malaria, you have typhoid, you have fever, you have HIV, you have all the sickness in this world. Let me tell you something. Okay, because of tomorrow is vow now, you are not pretending to me that you are sick. You are not feeling fine. You are this. You are your friend. You think I did not hear everything you said, man? Everything I did was just to give you a surprise. Was to surprise you. I wanted to take you out myself, to take you for a treat, to take you out. So you now pretended that you are sick. I heard everything you said. You said they should go and boil egg. They should call you honey. Your mother is baby. All this thing. Let me tell you, you are sick, Julius. Something is wrong with your head.
Sick.
When you are fine, you call me.
Olumora. Olumora. Olumorox.